Hello guys, and welcome back to my tutorial that shows you how to make Minecraft-like models in Blockbench. In this video, I will show you how to make a grenade and a smoke bomb in Blockbench. Enough talking and let's jump straight into this tutorial. First, let's create a genetic model over here. Then we add a cube. By adding more cubes, we can make them into a shape of a grenade latch. Then, you can paint the grenade green. Now your grenade is finished. Let's move on to making the smoke bomb. The process is the same. So just enjoy the montage. Now you can continue your day, but with a low poly grenade and a smoke bomb. If you enjoy this video, then why not click the like button? Goodbye.